Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Just starting out the day making a roll bar tire carrier for the Jeep Scrambler. I already made the center plate. I've got 3 holes in there and that's going to attach the tire to the plate. There's my center plate. I've got some 2 plates to sandwich the roll bar in. I'm using some 1/4 inch plate because it's such a big tire. On a stock one, maybe use 3/16 plate, but this is a 32-inch tire and I'm making this one a little heavier duty than normal, and we're going to start putting some holes in here and giving it a little shape, and I'll show you the process along the way and then what it looks like when it's finished. But this is going to relocate the tire from the back of the Jeep to the roll bar. The holes are in there from the factory, and this was an option. You can get a roll bar tire carrier. You don't see them often. There's some reproductions out there that are kind of flimsy. This is going to be super heavy duty like the rest of the vehicle, and that tire won't move during a hard stop or anything like that. This will be rock solid. Okay guys, here's the finished carrier. Like I say, it's a little heavier and a little bigger than it needs to be compared to the factory, and that's because the size of the tire. I rounded the edges, smoothed everything out. If you guys are building stuff, break the edges. Paint doesn't like to stick to real sharp edges, so I went around, I broke all the edges there. Here's our piece on the inside. So, not worried about the big tire stressing this around. It is a heavy piece. I'm going to get it mounted now. We'll stick the tire on there and we'll see what it looks like. We got 2 through bolts. These go through the holes that are in the factory Scrambler roll bar. And we'll get that guy bolted up, put tire on there, and give it a look. Okay guys, there's the tire bolted up. Bolts up with no problem. I had just a thin piece of cardboard under the wheel, just to space it just a hair off the wheelhouse. It's rubbing, but it's not taking the weight. Here's the finished carrier mounted. Rounded the edges here. And like I say, it's all 1/4 inch. You can see where the bolt holes are. How much more I had to add to it just to get the wheel to sit in a good place. If we come around here, you could see I left us just a little more in the finger space there. So we got room for the glass and the gasket without any trouble. And the tire is right up against the roll bar. Roll bar is not bolted in, but when it is, everything will be fine. Let's take a look from the back here. So that's what it's going to look like with the tire on the roll bar. Okay guys, just a short one today. Just wanted to show you what you need to do if you have a bigger tire and you still want to use that roll bar mount. Like I say, the holes are in here. There's plugs in them from the factory, and you just pull those out. 7/16 bolts through there, make a sturdy mount, and you've got a different place for your tire. Okay, that's all I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, share the video if you know anybody can use it, and thanks for watching again. I'll catch you on the next one.